Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chimbo Mesagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of August 22 hanggang August 28 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng Spirit Guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo ay Libra ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, umpisahan na natin for the sign of Libra. Okay guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kanino energy ang ating nasagap. So, umpisahan na natin guys ha. So, let's see kung anong pasabog at bulabog sa inyo ng ating mga gabay for today's video. Okay. There is the moon card. There's a truth reveal or there's an illusion or dreams. May mga bagay dito na parang pinapakita o may pangapahiwatig sa iyo ang ating mga angel spirit. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a 5 of cups. Oh, there's a disappointment. May mga bagay na di-disappoint ka dito, no? Or may mga bagay na kumbaga pinapangarap mo pero hindi mo na isa sa katuparan. So some of you guys, parang may mga nasasayang na oras at panahon. So, what is additional messages? Kumbaga, mayroon din akong nasisense dito na parang there's something truth reveal na malalaman mo. Kumbaga, nung nalaman mo, nagkaroon ka ng frustration dito na parang hindi mo in-expect na magagawa niya sa iyo yun. With the Ace of Cups, there's a new beginning and new offer. So, there's a new romance and new love life coming in for you. What is additional messages? Okay, there's an Ace of Pentacles. Pasabog ha. Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. So if there's a big opportunities and there's a big money coming in for you, may malaking pasabog sa iyo dito ang ating angel spirit na may makukuha kayo malaking halaga. So what is additional messages? Or kung hindi to money, it's an opportunity. So, and of course, sinasabi dito, there is a palace of sword. Kumbaga, there's a lot of frustration and there's a lot of obligations and there's a lot of struggles. No? May marami kang pinagdaanan dito at sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang makakatawid ka na. What is the moon card? And of course, there is an 8 of cups, letting go, moving on, no? Alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Yung fear na yan, yung nagdadala sa iyo sa alanganing situation. Kumbaga, kailangan labanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo. What is the 5 of cups? And of course, sinasabi dito by the King of Wands, there is a control, no? Controlling yung emotions mo. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan kontrolado mo. May mga bagay signs synchronicity sa'yo na parang hinahatid ng angel spirit na kailangan mong kumalma. No? May mga bagay sa'yo siguro na hindi mo na isa sa katuparan ngayon at may mga plano mo na hindi naaangkop dun sa nangyayari at hindi napapanahon sa gusto mo talagang mangyari. So, what is the Ace of Cups? What is the Ace of Cups, angel spirit? Okay, there's a Palace of Cups. Oh, see? There's a lot of happiness. Happiness and success, no? Kumbaga, some of you, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng masayang buhay dito. Hindi man siya in material thing, pero by emotional and of course, by spiritual. So, what is additional messages of Ace of Cups? What is the clarification for the Ace of Cups? Okay. There's a Knight of Cups. There's a Ace of Coin pala, sorry. Clarification ng Knight of Cups. There's an offer. Itong pera na to is like an offer. Trabaho, negosyo, promotions. Kumbaga, meron ditong magdadala sa ng big opportunities and big money. So, what is a Palace of Swords? Palace of Swords represent the Ten of Wands, no? There's a lot of obligations, responsibilities, failures, and of course, kumbaga, ang dami mong bigat at pasanin sa buhay na parang feeling mo, end of the world, o parang binagsakan ka ng langit at lupa. What is the Moon and the Eight of Cups? What is the Moon and the Eight of Cups? Okay, there's a Five of Wands. There's a conflict. Kumbaga sinasabi, ayun nga, di ba? Yung sinasabi ko kanina na ang nagiging komplikado dito, yung takot at pangamba mo. Kailangan mong maging balanse dyan. Kasi yun yung nagbibigay ng struggle sa isip mo, sa puso mo, and of course, dun sa situation na ginagawa mo. Nawawala ka sa focus. What is the Five of Cups and the Knight of King of Wands? What is the Five of Wands and the King of Wands? Okay, there is a Four of Wands. There is a celebration. Ngayon, kumbaga, binubuksan na yung lahat ng oportunidad sa'yo na magdadala sa'yo ng homecoming, celebrations, engagement, proposal. So, ayun yung sinasabi sa ito. Kailangan mo makontrol yung emotions mo. Yung takot, yung worry, yung pangamba, yung mga bagay na alam mong nakakapaghatak ng negative energy. What is the Ace of Cups and the Balance of Cups? Ace of Cups and the Balance of Cups. There is a Ten of Cups. See, I told you. There is an happiness. Kumbaga, magiging masaya ka dito at maligaya ka, no? Talagang pupunuin ka ng kaligayahan at nag-uumapaw na kasayahan. What is the Ace of Coin and the Knight of Cups? Okay, there is a Page of Swords. Information. No, may ibibigay sa itong information na to, maghahatid sa iyo ng offer. So, there is an opportunities, and there is a big opportunities, and there's a big happiness. Kumbaga, magiging masaya at magiging maligaya at magiging kontento ka. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na may mga bagay na kailangan mong ayusin, maging balanse, limitahan yung mga bagay na alam mong naghahatak ng negative energy. Like illusions, like worry, and of course by thoughts. No, yun yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng bagahe or yung bigat, no, yung loob mo. Kumbaga nag-iisip ka, na-stress ka. What is the Pile of Swords and the Ten of Wands? Okay, so there is a Three of Cups. There is a happiness, no? There is a party celebration. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na magiging maligaya at magiging masaya ka, kailangan mo lang maging, tawag dito, yamadong-yamado at of course, yung parang hawak na ako, baga, makontrol mo, no? Mahawakan mo yung worries, yung takot mo. What is the total outcome? Okay. There is a Queen of Wands. There is stability, control, being grounded, being confident. And of course, there is Seven of Coin, no? There is an harvest time. Kumbaga, kailangan ng confident ka. Kumbaga, yung talaga yung key, confident is key from the success, no? Kumbaga, yung sinasabi talaga nila, yes naman talaga. Kapag alam mong confident ka, alam mong walang worries, walang doubt, wala kang iniisip na stress, no? Kumbaga, dyan yan magtutuloy-tuloy ang pasok na magandang kapalaran sa'yo. What is the Love Oracle card? And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a coffee cup, no? Kape-kape. Or baka nasosobrahan ka sa kape. Kaya kinakabahan ka. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a girl with a snake, no? May ahas dito, tiyo. Mag-ingat ka, ha? Mag-ingat. Baka idaan sa kape daw to, no? Kumbaga, some of you. Kumbaga, ingatan ang kalusugan. Either yung person mo, no? Kapag mahilig sa kape, huwag niyo pinagkakape sa labas. Baka makape ng iba. So, what is the angel's number? Angel's number is a 0. For I am limitless. Sinasabi dito, guys, there is no beginning and there's no end. All is infinite. It is time to develop your spiritual side. You are gaining new sights, understanding of both godly and earthly things. So, ibig sabihin dito, walang limitado at walang simula at katapusan sa bawat bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, it's a part of your journey na maranasan yan. At it's a part of your journey na maranasan yung mga bagay na magpapahirap at magpapalakas sa'yo at magpapatatag sa'yo. And of course, may mga bagay lang talaga na kailangan mong, tawag dito, maging balanse, no? Minsan, may mga bagay ka dyan na konting, konting kibot, mag-aalala ka na, konting kibot, parang mag-iisip ka na ng kung ano-ano. Stay positive. So, what is additional messages? And there's a success, no? Pasabog ka dito. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito sa'yo ng meron kang tagumpay na nag-aabang sa'yo. Additional messages. There's a failure. Failure and success. Totoo naman kasi, di ba? Kumbaga, kung hindi ka nadapa at hindi ka nagkamali, hindi ka mananalo. Tandaan mo yan. Ganun yon. What is additional messages? And of course, there's a premonition, prophecy. May mga bagay na pinasilip na sa iyo ang ating angel spirit. No? Kumbaga, premonition by dreams, no? Kaya pala there's the moon card. Yung pinapakita sa iyo dito kung sino yung traidor. Kung sino yung nagbabackstab sa iyo, sino ang sinungaling, sino yung maahas sa iyo. No? Makikilala mo yan sa panaginip mo. And of course, there's a dragonfly. There's a magic, illusions, no? Ayun nga, transformation, no? Kumbaga, dadating yan sa ano mo, sa imagination mo. By imagination, yun nga. Kumbaga, papasok yan sa'yo by intuitions. Papasok yan sa'yo na, etong tao na to, yan, mag-ingat ka dyan. And of course, there's a lesson, no? Kumbaga, mayroon ka dyan matututunan at marami kang malalaman dyan. What is the energy? What is the energy, angel spirit? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a appreciation. Dapat marunong ka mag-appreciate ng mga bagay-bagay. Even yung maliliit or malalaki, or may mga bagay na kailangan kang pahalagahan. Or pasalamatan. Okay, what is the energy? And there is the second chakra, Archangel Uriel, for finances. No? Sinasabi sa dito na kailangan mong maging grounded and of course protections about sa finances mo. And of course, there's an angel of balance. See? I told you, kailangan mo maging balance all the time. What is the chakra? What is the chakra? Enlightenment. No? Magkakaroon ka ng inner clarity, clarity in all things, clarity in all kind, and clarity in all aspect. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan. And of course, sinasabi rin dito, there is a self-worth, no? Dapat alam mo yung grounds mo. Dapat alam mo kung sino at ano ka, no? Hindi mo kailangan patunayan at ipakilala yung sarili mo sa kanila. Iba yung ganda mo o kagwapuhan mo sa kanila. And release. Release the negativity and release the negative thoughts. What is additional messages? Angel Spirit. Okay. There is a book. No? Kumbaga, para magiging kwento na lang yan o magiging istorya na lang yan in the near future. Marami kang matututunan sa buhay mo. At kumbaga sinasabi dito, baka some of you mahilig magbasa ng libro. What is the Montology? Montology is take time to breathe out, no? Kailangan pag-isipan mo at bigyan mo ng oras na huminga ka naman, no? Sa mga problemang pinagdaan mo, inhale, exhale. And communication is the key. Kailangan mo makipag-communication, kailangan mong alamin at kailangan mong sabihin kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Hindi mo kailangan kingkamin, hindi mo kailangan itago. Bagkos ipakita mo at isabihin mo sa kanila para nang sa ganun, magkaroon kayo ng balance. And of course, give and take, no? At the same time. So, what is additional messages? For Archangel Michael messages. And of course, there's an eternal love, no? Kumbaga, walang wakas na pagmamahalan. Walang hanggang pagmamahalan. Yung love na yon is unconditional love. And of course, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka. Nasa tamang wisyo ka. Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, ipagpatuloy mo yan. So, what is the Jesus loving goals? As sinasabi dito, Come to me, all you that labor and heavy laden, I will give you the rest. Ibig sabihin dito, lahat ng mga mabibigat, lahat ng pasanin, lahat ng obligasyon, lahat ng alam mong hindi mo na kayang bitbitan, bitawan mo. Sinasabi sa'yo dito ni Jesus na isurrender mo sa Kanya lahat. Bagkos ipaalam mo lang sa Kanya na lahat ng mga bagay na to nahihirapan ka. Naway kunin at pagaingin niya na yung sitwasyon mo. At makaalis ka na sa sitwasyon mo. So what is the messages of life? So ang pinaka-message sa'yo ng life is remain in the light. Manatili ka sa liwanag. No? Huwag kang pupunta sa dilim, nakakatakot. Charis. And of course, sinasabi dito, today I observe, I take time to think calmly and wisely. I go forward with a complete confidence of knowing I will succeed. No matter what happened today, I will remain in the light. I will remain my faith and equilibrium. In this way, I nurture my soul and become a strong and steady representative of the light. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na pansinin mo ang mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo, hindi dahil para pahirapan ka, para bigyan ka ng linaw sa mga bagay-bagay na nasa paligid mo. Kumbaga parang ginigising ka lang sa katotohanan na, oh, this is the reality. No? Parang in-order mo lang yan sa Shopee. No? Kumbaga, minsan may mga fake news or something fake na eksena na parang hindi mo ina-expect yung mga makukuha mo. Ganun talaga, no? There is an unexpected moment. Pero sinasabi sa'yo dito, i-observe mo lang yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo at maging kalmado at maging tawag dito, yung wise ka, no? Wise. And of course, sinasabi dito, at lumabang ka sa buhay with your confident, with a beautiful, with a heart. Char. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, Tia, na kailangan mo magpatuloy para sa tagumpay mo at para sa tagumpay ng mga bawat nasa paligid mo. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of August 22 and August 28 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. This is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung paninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!